Hi, this is Wendy at Chick-a-Woof Ranch, and we are on a journey, a whole health journey, a food journey, and one of our steps is this right here. We're replacing it with that guy there. It's something that we've been thinking about for a while, and two things came into play not that long ago. One is this is brand new, but we were gifted it. So that was a message. And also, if you check out Doug and Stacy's channel, and we'll leave a link to it up over here, I think. They had challenged anyone to get rid of their microwaves. So here we go, we're doing it. Okay, so here we go. We're gonna use it for the first time. No more microwave. We're gonna give the electric toaster oven a go. And thanks to the challenge also from Delectable Mountains. And so there we go. We're just gonna give it a shot and see how we do without it. So the biggest challenge for us, honestly, is gonna be what we're doing right now is just leftovers. We're used to using the microwave more for a quick fix. We don't really cook with it ever, but we do like to do leftovers, or I like to do leftovers. It's quick, it's easy. We like to make a lot of, extra ahead of time so that it helps us throughout the week, or lunches, kids' lunches. And so really that's what our biggest challenge with the microwave is that just relying on a quick, easy solution to heat stuff up. And really, this shouldn't take that much longer, and it should be a lot better for us.